Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 May 2018, 08 of hour, 27 of minute and 38 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is the Amazon a rainforest or a jungle? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is the Amazon a rainforest or a jungle? Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is the Amazon a rainforest or a jungle? The Amazon rainforest, Portuguese, Floresta Amazonica or Amazonia, Spanish, Selva Amazonica, Amazonia or usually Amazonia, French, Forêt Amazonienne, Dutch, Amazonaregenwood, also known in English as Amazonia or the Amazon jungle, is a moist broadleaf forest in the Amazon biome that covers most of the Amazon basin of. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.